What's up, everybody? How are you? Welcome to the ATX Sprint Squad. So to give you a little insight into how this all works, I know there's a bunch of new people here today. We do 20 sprints. And then today is actually a very special day because we're celebrating Earth Day. We've partnered up with fitppl to clean up this beautiful park that we call home. So stay for the sprints, stay for the cleanup. Thank you guys for being here. Nice work, everybody. High five every single person here. Get some water, and then we're gonna get to the cleanup.